EC Auto Repair recommended service intervals. We pull a lot of these service intervals right out of your owner's manual, right? Some of them based on our experience, based on TSBs, based on other shops' recommendations, based on training, based on seminars, based on ChatGPT, based on any other sources that I forgot to mention. But we've conducted this list of like how often common maintenance items should be done, like your transmission fluid, your battery terminal service, your AC service, oil changes, coolant, all these different things. And this is just a guideline that my guys use. Not just a guideline, this is the guideline that my guys use, so that every customer gets the exact same experience every time. It's important to me that they get an amazing experience. And yeah, nobody likes being broke down on the side of the road, so that's why we recommend like coolant hoses every 3 years, or forgive me, that's why we recommend coolant every 3 years, every 30,000 miles. Coolant hoses and a thermostat every 100,000 miles. So